Hey guys, it's Gorilla Tag's 4th birthday. Do you want a nibble? Well, you're not getting it. Alright, we're gonna check out the new, it's not really new. Alright, in the title, I did say I was gonna check the Animal Company update, but I'm gonna show you guys, this update first, so let's just go. Alright, let's go check this out.
I only have one cosmetic because I just bought this account yesterday. So all I have is this.
It is supposed to move.
The best cosmetic is the but it's
Where did it go?
Wait.
It's more money before I started the video.
Oh my god, why is it so bright?
Wait.
Bro, that's not how you hold a dynamite. It's literally, it's no clipping inside your hand.
Oh, it is. What the hell? We got Burger King before GTA 6. Oh yeah, this was already out. I've seen that. Oh, that was it. Is there any new hats? Any new maps?
Plus, you can just no clip.
Go to the bench.
Can someone show me the I know where the new map is.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
That's a worse
Yeah,
bag. I have a better
can you
one.
show
I have
me?
a better one.
It's down there.
Just jump off.
I jumped down. Why do I have a feeling like
I'd recommend you be careful. Jump off.
This is not a new map! This is chaos!
Black, where you at?
I'm in... What is this?
Go Black, come up here. Go into the middle. Don't go into the middle. Don't go into the middle. You go back to spawn. Come over to us. We're up here. No. Don't go towards that. It's mounted. Yeah. Right in front of you. Look, right in front of you. Do not go into that center point. You will get spotted.
It's hard!
Where are you?
Right. There'll be eye monsters and you'll see a target on the floor. If you get targeted, you need to get behind something.